0307, which is a real-time clock using a PIC microcontroller. I have done my project using Keil and Proteus, so I'll just open Keil. This is the complete program to get time date, which is said to be real-time digital clock, to get details on the LCD screen using DS1307, which is a real-time clock. And these are the two header files for 5.1 family, and I have used some delay functions, so I have used inference.h, which is a header file, and this is the coding for the real-time clock and which displays on the LCD screen. And this part is the data frame we are following here, and whatever time we are expecting from the chip we should give here. I have given time such as 10:30 like that, so it starts counting from that time. And this is the code written. Here's the while function 1, and these are the read minutes coding programs, and part, and these are for day and countings, and this is the complete program. These are the functions unsigned for displaying on LCD. This is the coding part, and this is the complete program. So this is the complete program to display time date in the LCD screen, which is real-time clock. And I will just rebuild this program. I have already converted this into hex file, so let's check the output. I have gotten 0 errors and 0 warnings, and it has been created from hex file record, and that's it. So we will see the hardware result by using Proteus simulation. And this is the Proteus software. I have already completed the circuit part hardware design, and here I have used microcontroller 8051, and this is the virtual terminal, and this is the DS1307 RTC. Actually, RTC is a real-time clock. The DS1307 is a low-power serial real-time clock calendar for Maxim integrated with fully binary coded decimal, and data and address are transferred serially to a bidirectional I2C bus. And this is the microcontroller, and these are the two 4.7K resistance, and I have required RTC crystal also. This is the crystal, RTC crystal, and this is the LCD screen. Connect the RTC DS1307 to the microcontroller as per the declarations in the circuit diagram. And these two are the two pull-up resistors. Connect with SDA and SCL here, and these two are the open drain. LCD control lines are connected to the port 2.2 and 2.3, 2.4. So see here, and the data lines of the LCD screen are connected to the port 1 to port 1.7. Okay. Now I build the X file, check, then I have checked the RTC time, then give the same. I'm going to just build I'm going to link that X file. I have already linked it, and I have given the same clock frequency which I have given in the Keil itself, and I'm going to give OK. Now I am going to run the part. Running the simulation. See, I have given 10:30 like the time and date. It has started counting from that, which is the real time I have given in the coding, and you see it counts the seconds. This is the virtual terminal I have connected here, so this is the time and date, and that's it. This is the DS1307 digital clock using PIC microcontroller. um, if you are expecting today's data, go to K and this part. If you are expecting today's data, you can change it here and run it. See, I have given 10:30 and date as 24/8/20. So it starts running from this data. If you are expecting today's date, you can change it here, and again you can save it and rebuild, and you can run it in the hardware simulation. And that's it. Thank you for watching my video.